What?
Oh no! You didn't set it properly! Here, we're at Petrofka Bridge. And the water went significantly down the last time I came here. The last time I came here, it was just horrible. Usually the shoreline goes like way more out. And that's where the walleye is, like in the middle over there. But hopefully catch some dinosaurs, some walleye. And yeah, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. There's Ella and Paolo. I'm gonna try this liquid mayhem stuff. I'm not sponsored. I'm sponsored by the fishing hole though. Sponsored by the fishing hole, by the way.
Oh my god.
You want to smell this?
I do not. You're gonna squeeze it on.
I won't. I promise I won't.
No, I don't trust. On God.
On God, I won't.
Ew.
Garlic. Oh God. Oh fuck, Paolo, you gotta get in on this. You gotta get in on that. Okay, I'm gonna cast. Watch out, Ella. Fuck. Perfect cast. And let some line get out, and then put in your rod holder. Reel it in for some tension. Ring the bell. We're gonna start the waiting game. So you don't want these to die. Yep, it's sucking on me.
I want a leech to suck on me.
So you wanna
On my hand to see where.
you wanna just hook it on the bottom. Ow. The way to hook these properly, you wanna double hook it. So like, cause you don't want it to die, right? See, it's still moving. Paolo?
Yeah. How many leeches did you get?
36.
Oh shit. How much is 36 leeches?
There you go. And then see how they're curling up in a ball?
You used the lotion?
Yep. I don't know why my flash is on.
Yeah, careful, your battery's gonna die. Is that actually? Oh, it didn't do anything.
Put it in the water, let's see what happens.
Right now? No.
No, perfect. Perfect.
I have an extra bow. That was perfect.
Oh, you should have given her a triangle.
I'm using a triangle.
I know, but oh, whatever. Let's go.
First cast.
I think there's an Amber Alert, so you better hurry because it's vibrating my phone. Whoo! Perfect. Ooh. No balls.
No balls. Do it. No balls. Do it. No balls.
Reel in a little bit. Okay, wait. It's just me. It's just me. Okay. Oh, there's nothing there.
This is why people kind of call river fishing sometimes blind. All you do is sit
I mean, there's a boat launch here. I'd take a boat out here. Like, not a big boat, just a bass boat.
If there's one on your bib, you're getting it.
Yeah. Not making. I don't think I'm that needy.
If the donut actually... Sedona actually looks really good on the ugly side.
It does. We have like the same color.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing's fighting.
Oh, well, it took one. Okay, it's okay. You can recast that.
No,
it's perfect.
nothing.
Yeah.
Literally nothing.
It's okay.
I can recast this.
Yeah. Oh shit. Fuck.
What?
No. You're gonna hit me.
God, look at the flex on that.
I know. It's so good.
Oh, it's my bell.
Be sure to bail. That's good.
One of the bait.
Shit! My parents watch these videos.
Oh yeah, they already got mad.
Why? Yo! There's something on it. I don't know if it's there anymore.
Oh.
I should have let it. Whatever.
Oh wait, there's drag though.
I'm not switching to a pickerel rig. There's something there.
Is there? Oh yeah, there is something there. Let's pull drag.
Oh, that's just me. Oh, maybe. Maybe it's a baby. No, there's nothing. You can't see it. See? It should have been surfacing by now. Damn. Okay, I'm not switching to a pickerel rig. Oh yeah, it took one of my worms, see? Can you hand me a worm? Damn, I should have waited.
You have a worm?
They're right beside you. Oh, this pickerel rig looks fucked. Okay, wait. Dude, this pickerel rig swivel is done, Paolo.
Why? Is it rusty?
Yeah, it's not closing anymore.
That should. Here.
Look.
Andre, Andre, go, 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 Andre, Andre. I thought that's a fish on.
It's already recording. Is it recording? Oh fuck yeah, it is.
Fuck yeah, let's go.
Fuck. Oh.
Is it heavy?
Yeah!
Oh shit.
Oh. Please be a walleye. Nah, it's not that heavy. It's just... Maybe it's a tiddler. Or maybe it's a goldeye.
It's gone?
Is it? Oh.
Oh, it's a sucker.
That's a sucker.
It's a carp. That's a sucker.
No, it's a sucker. I don't want it.
That's a fish.
I don't count that as a fish. Here, hold this.
Oh, my dad wants it. My
Hey,
dad
get the stringer.
You have one?
Yeah, it's in the bucket.
Hold it, babe.
Damn!
My dad likes these. So
What does he cook it with?
he just fries it up.
Alright, that's fish number one. Yeah, I'm keeping it. It's not a red horse, it's just a common sucker, but... Damn. Oh no! I was about to switch to my pickerel rig setup, but I mean, it's working. This is working now.
That's all ever.
Grass.
I'm just trying to make it spin.
Did the bell just ring? Okay.
One little bit right there. That's my bell.
And I gave her the rusty cowbell. Here, wait, let me try. It's a moon. Oh no, it's a whitefish because it doesn't have teeth.
Is it a whitefish?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I don't think we can keep this. I just caught a whitefish. It's the tiniest whitefish ever. Let me pull out the worm. We'll save that worm.
What? No, give him a snack. He worked hard.
Okay, fine. He worked hard for it. Here you go,
There
buddy.
you go. Get it.
Oh.
Get in there.
Oh.
There
There
you
you
go.
There you go.
I'll name you Oliver.
Goodbye.
Revive it
Oh no.
How do I revive it?
like this. So you just grab its tail and then you... Oh, I think it's good.
There you go.
Whoa! Whoa! Set it! Oh, is it a sturgeon? If it jumps out there, then it's a sturgeon.
Feels kind of light.
It's probably a sucker again. Or a walleye. It's right there. Tell me it's a walleye.
What?
Oh no! You didn't set it properly. Okay. Keep reeling. Keep your rod up. Keep your rod up. Keep reeling. Keep your rod up.
Keep reeling.
That was a gnarly hook set. That was insane. She hook sets like fucking John B.
Feel it?
Oh no.
No.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Oh, it's still there. Oh yeah, it's right there.
Come on. Oh yeah. Oh
Walleye?
Oh my god.
Is it sturgeon?
That's a sturgeon. No. Oh, what the fuck is that? That's another sucker.
That's another sucker. Fuck you. Oh, it's a red horse this time.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Hello?
Why am I getting skunked?
What does skunked mean?
Ella's second fish today. A nice red horse sucker.
She's winning.
So you hold it like underneath, and then you support its back. Like that. So
Okay, so underneath, and I support it.
like that, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Paul, can you get my power bait thing?
Power bait.
The lotion.
Where is it?
It's in where the knife is. It's probably, if it's not there, then it's okay. You set it too hard. Tone down the hook.
Keep going,
sets.
just keep going.
Oh, it's still there.
Yeah, it's still there.
Hopefully. If it's not, then yeah, just tone down the hook.
It's like still jittering and shit.
Tone down the hook sets.
Tell me dad. Oh shit. What? Right there. I just got hit. That was my. It hit my line. That fish hit my line.
Oh, was it?
Oh no.
What,
did
did
it-
you lose it?
Yeah.
It was right there. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So it hit the worm.
Ah, it's the worm.
The
Fish. There was a fish that hit my line.
Yeah, I
right
saw
there.
that too.
It hit the
Paul, can
line.
you find the bell? That's my dad's bell.
Oh, it's right here. It's around somewhere.
Okay. Ella, come up here for a second.
Sorry.
Tone down the hook sets. Don't set that hard. You just have to like yank it up like this,
Okay.
like light. Oop.
It's because I keep exaggerating it. That's why.
Quantum optics going into the water.
Where did it go? Oh no, it might be.
Is it over? No, it's gonna carry. The current's gonna carry it.
Okay.
One final recast. Still got my worms on there. Let me put more worms.
The leech is still on.
Yeah, just keep the leech on. I'm not gonna waste them. I'm gonna save them. So this was a semi-successful day, I'd say. For Ella, it was very successful. She got her first whitefish, first red horse sucker. The other one, I don't know what that could have been. Probably another sucker fish. That's all we're catching here. Just gonna put another worm on. The other worms, I don't know if they're still alive or not, but oh, they're still alive. So a ball of worms like this is like perfect sturgeon attractant.
Give me some worms.
Yeah, just wait.
I'm gonna bother these fish. Look. Hey, look. Look. Where? Right there. Look.
Okay, hopefully I can cast.
Live bait.
I think it's legal to use live bait. I don't know where that went. Oh, it went straight. Okay, everyone's good. So this was a successful kind of day for me and Ella.
Yes.
Paolo will probably have some luck at the South Sask, because that's where all the walleye are. And I still have a lot of leeches. Apple bought a lot of leeches, and we still have a lot of worms and minnows. So we're gonna use that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Good job, Ella.
Thanks.
Good job, Paolo.
Oh, I thought you were.
Video's not over yet, Ella.
Okay.
We're getting some McDonald's. Oh, we should try the new crispy chicken. Yeah, the McCrispy. I swear to God, it's not open.
Oh, they're now higher.
Oh, you should totally apply here. Boom, it's not open. Told you.
Fuck.
Oh my God. This is a well-deserved meal. Let's see how it tastes. Good, good, good. Better than the McChicken, or it's better than the McChicken?
You're not getting ripped off.
It's better than the McChicken.
Oh yeah.
No fucking way. Wait, I'm recording myself.
Why are you eating my fries? All you order is ano.
It's ano.
Fine, I'll just get the bag fries.
I don't care.
That's so good. See you guys in the next one.